At the end, everything will be okay, and if not okay, it is not the end. John Lennon. Welcome to today's episode, where we uncover the life-changing impact of sound financial management, and we will dive into how budgeting can truly be a lifesaver. Let's explore a real-life story that illustrates this powerful truth. Imagine you are living paycheck to paycheck, barely managing your bills, and then suddenly you are faced with a medical emergency. This isn't just a hypothetical, it was the reality for Sarah, a school teacher from Melbourne. 2 years ago, Sarah found herself rushed to the hospital with acute appendicitis, a life-threatening situation that required immediate surgery. While Sarah recovered physically, the medical bills started piling up, threatening to plunge her into deep financial distress. Here's where budgeting comes into play. Prior to her emergency, Sarah had attended a financial planning workshop where she learned the importance of an emergency fund. Motivated, she started budgeting rigorously, cutting unnecessary expenses and saving a small amount each month. By the time her medical crisis hit, Sarah had saved enough to cover her higher deductible and other unexpected medical expenses. This financial cushion allowed her to focus on her recovery without the added stress of an impending financial disaster. But the story doesn't end there. Sarah's expenses inspired her to advocate for financial literacy among her peers and students, emphasizing how essential it is to prepare for the unknown. Sarah's example underscores a critical lesson. Budgeting isn't just about planning for vacations or saving for retirement. It is about preparing for the uncertainties of life. An emergency fund can be the difference between a manageable situation and a financial catastrophe. What can we take away from Sarah's situation? Start small, if you must. Budget to set aside even a little each month for an emergency fund. It is not just about saving money, it is about saving your peace of mind and potentially your life. And remember, at the end, everything will be okay. If not okay, it is not the end. Thanks for tuning in. If Sarah's story inspired you, subscribe for more insights and share this episode to help spread the word in the power of budgeting. Until next time, stay savvy and stay safe.